Are you ready to rumble? Welcome to PE for week 2, guys. I'm just doing a little video introduction to this week's activities. So if you just bear with me for a few minutes, I'll run through what I would like you to do today. So you're looking at the screen on the website for the Year 3 to 6s. And you're currently watching the video up the top here. Then you'll scroll down a little bit and you will see a list of people's names here. And these are the people who did the activities last week for week 1, and they completed the questions at the bottom and pressed submit, and their answers got sent to me. So I'm using that to see who actually has finished their PE for the week. If you think you completed the work last week in week 1 and your name's not on the list, don't worry, it's okay. It might just be that you forgot to press the submit button, or you didn't quite see the questions, or something happened and went wrong. Just send me an email just to let me know you did the activities, and it's all good. My email's just here on the screen. You can see it there. If you go down a little bit, I want to talk to you about the learning intention for week 2. So today we're going to think about, while we're doing PE, how we can choose to do physical activity in different places and environments. Right now is a perfect example. You're not at school doing PE, you're at home doing PE. Some people might be inside, some people might be outside. There's all sorts of different environments we can be active, and I want you to think about that today. First of all, you'll be having a look at this warm-up here. And I'll just click over here. If you click on this link, it will take you to a screen, a YouTube screen, and it should look something like this. And when you start it, this will be the screen you start on, and it will go along a little bit and come to a blue screen. Now you want to stop on the blue, you want to have a look at the blue screen. I'm just going to stop it there. You don't need to stop it because you'll know what to do. When you get to the blue screen, you have to quickly choose whether you are going to be rock, paper, or scissors. So you might choose to be scissors, and in your mind, or you'll even hold your fingers up and say, yep, I'm scissors, or you might be paper, or you might be rock. It's up to you. Then the movie will go along a little bit, and it will show you what I actually chose for that round. And then it will go along a little bit further, and you will find an activity or an exercise that you have to do. I think it's for 30 seconds I've set it, depending whether you won, you lost, or we came a draw. So have a bit of a go at the rock, paper, scissors versus me. Let's go back to our website. So that's our first activity for today. Now the second activity I've done a little bit differently this week. It's a choice board. So you go down here and you see it's like a grid, a table, and it's got, oh, I don't know where that came from. I'll get rid of that later. It's got different choices of activities here for you. We have 4 warm-ups. One's Avengers, one's Justice League, one's Harry Potter, and one's Harry Potter number 2. I'd like you to choose one of these warm-up activities to do. Click on the blue section and it will take you to that activity, hopefully. Then come down a little bit further and we have a fitness bingo number 1 over here and fitness bingo number 2 over here. I would like you to choose one of these bingo cards to do. Now you'll click on this blue link and it'll take you to a sheet with all sorts of different activities and exercises on it. Your goal is to get 5 activities done in a row, whether it's across the page or up and down or on a diagonal. It doesn't really matter. If there's 5 in a row, you win the bingo. You get to yell bingo. Then down a little bit further here is 4 workouts. One's a Spell It fitness workout. One is having a go at Tai Chi, which is a very gentle form of movement. There is another workout here, which is your choice. You could choose something that you'd like to do for 30 minutes outside. Might be jump on the trampoline or go for a run. It's up to you. Or you could choose this indoor cardio session. Again, just click on those blue links and it will take you to the right sites. I'd like you to choose one of the workouts as well today. So you've got a warm-up up the top. You've got the fitness bingo and this workout here. In the middle, if you can't remember all of that, there are directions, so don't stress. You don't have to remember all this information. It's all there for you. Move down. Once you've finished all that, come down the bottom. I've put a little bonus video down the bottom. It only goes for a minute or two. And I've made that especially for you, okay? I want you to have a look at it and see which Lego person you think you might be in my special PE class. Because when I was making it, I was thinking of a few people in particular. And finally, down the bottom here are the questions that I'd like you to answer, so I know that you've done the activities this week for week 2. Please make sure you put your first and last name in this section so I know who you are. I don't want to have blank forms because that doesn't help me or you. You go down and you fill out these questions and then press submit at the bottom. And that's it for this week. Sorry, I just had somebody walk in on me. That's all right. That's the end for week 2. Last week there was a few people who did PE multiple times over the week and they had the same activities just to keep doing over and over again. So that's why I was thinking I put this choice board up here. If you're doing it multiple times, you might like to choose a different choice each day. There is also the option to come down a bit further down the page. I've left week 1 activities there. You might like to do the week 1 activities again. Or if you go right up the top of the page, there is a section up here that says other PE activities. Click on that and it will take you to a page that has a whole heap of different links you might like to have a go of. But what you need to do first of all is, of course, the year 3 to 6 week 2 things we were just talking about today. So that's it today, guys. Good luck. Have fun. I'll catch you later.